Good afternoon. My name is Fabian Alberto Zambrano Angulo. I am 24 years old. I live in Bogota. I was born in Bogota. I work as a monitor in the University Nacional Abierta de Distancia in the part of the library. I study technology, environmental sanitation. I like to play soccer, listen to music, and swim. Um, place place of interest. Chicago Natural Park is a protected space located to the southwest mm, of the savanna of Bogota of the South Ecological and Water Reserve located between municipalities of Soacha and San Antonio del Tequendama. This nature reserve, consisting of types of forests, always country, species and flora and fauna unique in the world, has more than 30 species green acres, becoming the home of more than 100 bird species. Flora and fauna. This ecological resource, due to their variety, is climate and flora shelters and approximately uh, 20 species of animals such as speckler, birds, squirrels, and armadillo. Two, one, four birds such as pigeons and hummingbirds and amphibians and reptiles, such as lizards and iguanas and snakes. The south 3,000 plant species. Uh, Place of interest, characterized by having black rocks due to the high concentration of carbon. It is one of the highest stone of the park, which allows to have a wide view of several sites of Tequendama. Waterfall. Along the road it is possible to cross some small deposits of water that many years ago. Goodbye, thank you very much.